So a few days ago I make a video about the drone, the Tello drone, which there is a giveaway which is set by IBM. So today my drone is arrived. So I thought I should make a video on this one. Let's do an unboxing for this one. Smart build. This time they changed the box. Last time the box were different. Okay, it's just a cargo box. Let's open this. This time it's like quite good box as compared to the last time one. For the reference, let me show you the last time box. This is the box which IBM sent me last time. In which they add the Tello drone, and this time the box is different. You can even see in this one the difference into the boxes, and then when you open this box you will see the packaging inside, which is packed into it. This time the box looks quite different. It has Tello drone in the same way. The drone boxing is also different. The packaging for the drone is also different, and the t-shirts, IBM t-shirt, it's which size? It's my size. And what else? IBM developer sticker. This time there is no code, unlocking code for the programming. Actually, this is this code which the IBM give it to us to the last time. So this time IBM is not giving away this thing. So the shirt and the shirt was included into the previous one. But let's just take me over the boxes for the last time one and this time one, so at least we can compare the boxes and we can see what are the differences in them. Okay, this is the drone this time. Actually, I'm surprised that this time they changed the boxes. So I don't know. Okay, let's open it from this side. Okay, even packaging is different for last time. Last time it is packed into a clear bag, and this time it's included into this one. But one addition in this one, which is better than the last time, is the charging cable, because in last one the charging cable was not included into that one. And same way a Tello drone, one battery, some documentation, and some extra blades. But this thing is a good addition, which I think they're supposed to add into the previous ones, but they haven't. I think IBM learned something. So that's pretty much it. This is the different things which IBM made from last time to this one. So I thought I should let you know, you guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. There are more videos coming on this channel related with the computer stuff and same kind of all this stuff. So subscribe for that and stay tuned.
Like a dragonfly, just grab my hand.